To buy things instantly, go to a web store, choose a product and add it to a cart. Proceed to checkout and fill in the required fields in the form. Select Elegro crypto payment method to make an instant and secure payment using Elegro Wallet. And click Place Order button. In a payment form appeared, specify your email and currency you want to pay with. Press Instant Pay button. After, you will receive a code. By default, email verification is chosen. But you can change verification type in the account settings. Check your inbox messages, copy and enter the code in the field and press Verify button. In a window appeared, select the wallet you want to pay with. And press Confirm Purchase button. Your purchase is completed. An email notification about successful purchase will be sent to you. It also includes all purchase details such as date, amount, currency, link to the web store and payment status.